Hail Baphomet.
Hail Baphomet.
Hail Baphomet.
Hail Baphomet.
Yes, this is Dark Lord Mullah Temple, the Grand Master of Mullah Light Temple. Here comes my new souls. Yes, I'm from Nigeria and Cote d'Ivoire. Yes, they are here to make a testimony. Yes, so start. What happened as we came to Mullah Light Temple? What has happened?
Bonjour tout le monde. My name is Gonou Abel. Je m'appelle Gonou Abel. Je viens au Nigeria. J'ai venu au Mullah Light Temple. J'ai trouvé beaucoup d'argent. Mullah, il est très gentil. Il est trop belle. Parce que Mullah, il m'a dit, je donne l'argent, toi, blesse moi. Mullah, bless me. Plenty money. Beaucoup d'argent. Beaucoup d'argent. Je vais très beaucoup chanter. Il a venu moi. Il a fait Mullah. Merci beaucoup.
All right, you are welcome. These are my new souls from Nigeria and Cote d'Ivoire. So they came here and I've initiated them whatever they wish Baphomet has granted for them. As I say, always don't be scared to join my temple. Because here we have practiced occultism. We have rare occult books for invocation. So if you want to join us, always be secretive. And also don't be sending money on the social media to people. Many people are using my pictures to scam. Yes, many people are using my pictures to create an account to scam with different numbers. I always keep reminding you the only contact is +233 548 069813. +233 548 069813. Yes, this is Dark Lord Mullah, the Grand Master of Mullah Light Temple. Don't send money to anyone if you want to join. You must talk to me. And the only contact the temple is using is +233 548 069813. They came together and they have now reached. They have now been initiated. They are rich. They are full member of the Mullah Light Temple. They will never be broke again in their life. Everything will go on well with them. And also, they didn't get any premature death. There's no premature death to join my temple. We don't give years that you die. You live longer, but whenever you die, your soul belongs to Baphomet. Hail Baphomet.
Hail Baphomet.
Hail Baphomet.
Hail Baphomet.
Hail Baphomet.
Hail Baphomet.